Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over a coin called Tron or TRX. It's traded for about 6 cents, almost 7 cents. It's up 2.5% today. And by the way, if you just landed here, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. It would be really appreciated. Has circulating supply here. So a lot of the supply is out. So in the future, possibly, that could be pretty decent. You want to check into that. Check the fundamentals of the coin on your own time. Do your own research. It's on a lot of exchanges, so you can get this easily any place, pretty much. Kraken, FTX, all those places. Their Twitter followers are massive, 1.4 million. I think that's the highest out of all the coins that I've looked at recently. I don't recall any of them being higher than 1.4. So very popular coin. One of the Dino coins. It's been around since I think 2018, I believe. To check that, 17 or 18, maybe before that. Yeah, 17. Anyhow, let's go over the chart. There's actually some learning stuff in here on the basics of learning about Tron or TRX Crypto. Okay, just go over the basics. You have a massive wave over here. This is an impulse move. It's actually a three-way move that it did over here, guys. And that move was a massive 26,000%. And it did it quickly. It did it quick, very quick, in 105 days. 105 days. So, what was that? 3-4 months? 3-4 months. I imagine out of these 1.4 million followers over here, there's some over still holding on to this, hoping that something over here with Tron could do something like that again. And it could. It could. You could never rule out anything with the markets, guys, usually. So here's the thing, though. You take a look at this weekly RSI. That's a massive spike of 98, almost 99. So massive spike right here. So this is the massive bullish move. And you can see through here, all through here, did have a move in there. This is more than likely, all of this is a correction. More than likely, okay? Because nothing has ever taken it out. So from March 2020 to April of 21, check that out. That's a three-way move up. And it did go up pretty good on that three-way move, on that spike in the RSI. Just that move right there in that time was 2020x in that move there. Now I'm going to go over some options. So this move that it's making right now, guys, this is a complex correction, a W. This is up for an X and for a Y. And there's going to be a couple options I'm going to go into here. Okay, but one thing you notice with this corrective move that it's making is it's never taken anything out. It hasn't come real deep in the weekly RSI. Okay, so it could still be, it's still in a correction, or it could go deeper. Okay, so I'm going to go into this area and show you guys likely what is going on with this, with Tron. It's actually a pretty wild coin. This is an ABC structure, 5-5, hit up with a 3. And then in this area right here, guys, as you can see that I was going to show you this move. You see this move right here? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the move, in my opinion. You can see right here. This is the move that XRP likely is going to do. So this move here, okay, if you can believe it, this is the move. A, B, C. So like that. So went up on this A, came down, shot up onto a flat type move for the B, and then it did a 1. This is the move. I want to show you something. This is what XRP likely is doing. 1, 2, 3. And if you can't see it on my screen, but there's a wick all the way down to that trend line. It touched it and boom, it went back up. And when you see those moves, these diagonal type moves, let me take that off like that. So this is you put your trend line on this C wave, it spiked through all of that and went up like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me go to XRP and show you guys something that likely what XRP is doing is that same type of move that I was saying. Some people are like, oh, Greg, it's not going to do that. You have a good shot. There's just possibly a third wave move right there. Okay. And then back down for this fourth in this area. And then boom, back up there. Now with XRP, guys, I'll go into XRP real quick. You're going to want to exit out. If it gets back up here, I'm telling you right now, exit out. Because if you see what happens, when it makes those moves, boom. And that's what's going to happen over here. If it does that move, it's going to correct all of that. And you take a look at XRP, I know an XRP, here's your wave one. This, in my opinion, is your three. This is not a new structure. Some people are calling that all new. This is what I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be the fifth. Okay. Now, can this throw over? It can. It can go up there, but the target will be right above that third wave, kind of like this one over here. It went right above. It went right equal right above that third wave on this one, and more likely it'll be right over there too. But just letting you know, guys, if it does that move, you're going to want to exit because it's going to do what it just did right here. It goes up and then bam. And the same thing will happen over here. And then XRP is going to correct this whole cycle. Okay. XRP is going to correct that whole cycle, guys. Just to let you know, FYI. All right. So back over to Tron, guys. So it completed that wave. Let me clean that up a little bit. And this is an impulse move, and I think it's stuck in a B wave. Okay. So here's the option. What are the options? This A wave, it's going up for a B, and it's going to correct back down to a C. Okay. So the move is a W. This is an X wave, an ABC X wave, and then it'll come down into this Y wave. So let me clean that up. I'm going to clean that up. Okay. So now you can see it. So it'd be like that. If perhaps it gets down there, the 1-to-1 will be right in this area for Tron, about 3 cents possibly, if it does whiz back down there. If the Bitcoin and the markets and Ethereum crypto markets correct, it could easily get back down there. Now, is that going to be the end of it? Don't know. This is all speculation on my part, guys. This is all speculation. Let me go back out to a 3-day chart and show you. Here's why there's a good chance if it does correct down here, and the crypto markets, based on my thesis, do go into a massive corrective bounce up or into a FOMO fifth wave. This is likely to do a move sort of kind of like this. It could go boom, 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 like that. It'll probably throw over a little bit in that area. Okay. That's what I would suspect it could go up to. Something like that, maybe up to, like 30 cents or 45 cents, guys, into some sort of diagonal. It doesn't make much sense based on the RSI. That's a probability. If it's not done there, guys, and it's going to continue to correct, then what you're going to have is you'll have a move like so, and then it's going to bounce. It could bounce and then come back down into like a Y wave. So what you will have is like it'll make a flat type move like this. It'll make a flat type move. And then this will be probably down like that. And then it can make a move like that, guys. So with Tron, was this a coin that I would get involved into? Nope, I wouldn't. I don't like the structure of it. It's not a bullish structure. Okay. This is a 3-wave move. And if it completes here, here's your 3-wave move. And then I might do a 3-wave move here. Possibly this could be a leading. You could call this maybe you have a chance of saying that this is starting here, some sort of contracting diagonal, and it's done, and it can correct and maybe go into more of a bullish sequence, or maybe it's going to correct and go into a third wave. Just don't know. It's not one that me personally, not financial advice, I wouldn't get involved into. Just because of the structure of it. It looks like to me it can be too trying to narrow down the predictability of the moves with this coin can be difficult. And it seems to me too, just based off some of the moves in here and the WXY waves that's moving, lots of bot trading, other type of trading going on with the coin. It seems like that's what's going on with it, a lot of just based off the structure. So like I said, if it does correct that this Y wave, come down to a C wave, correct there, you might have a shot at this move right here. Boom, 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 something like that. And it could whiz up there. You can see it for March of 2020, when the crypto market went bullish, it made a pretty massive move and it was pretty quick. And if the crypto market perhaps is bullish and it's going into my thesis, FOMO fifth wave, you can see it just, rip right up there. And, we'll kind of, just probably get some minor gains of 10x, maybe a 10x or 12x or something like that. All right, guys, that's the end of my Tron video. If you did make it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.